Somebody wrote in asking if the VT600 front end will fit on a VT750. The answer is no. That's it. Have a great day. I'm just kidding. The VT600 and VT750 front ends are very different. The steering stem length is different, the steering bearings are different, and the size of the fork tubes is different. On a VT600, you've got 39 millimeter forks, and on a VT750, you've got 41 millimeter. So there's a pretty big difference. You can't really interchange them unless you cut the neck off. You could use some machining and make some stuff happen, but that's not just pull one off and stick it on the other one.